Hey, welcome back, students. So it targets these kidney tubules that whose job is to allow things to be excreted in the urine or to hold things back that we don't want excreted in the urine. So basically, these act on the kidneys to hold back water, hold back minerals, those kinds of things. So um, I think that about covers question 17. Examples of things that they hold back or release in the urine would be like sodium and potassium ions, those electrolytes that we've talked about at times that we don't want a ton of sodium always in the body. Sometimes we want less. Sometimes we want more potassium, less potassium. So these mineralocorticoids control that level of those minerals in your blood. Okay, hope that helps. Here's a diagram of the adrenal hormones. And we see over here on the right, these are the cortical hormones produced in the adrenal cortex. Okay, we have these mineralo and glucocorticoids. The sex hormones are not shown here. The medulla over here, these hormones are produced in the medulla that you see here, and we'll talk about those here in question number 18. All right, so let's see. In the medulla, this middle part of the adrenal gland, we are producing two similar hormones. The group is called the catecholamines. That's how you pronounce that. So epinephrine, we're really familiar with, also known as adrenaline. The other one, not so familiar with it, but it's really similar in its function that it causes in the body. Norepinephrine, noradrenaline is the name of it. So we've talked a lot about the fight or flight response in the sympathetic nervous system. So you guys are really familiar with the activity of it. So basically, question number 18, what two hormones are produced by the adrenal medulla and where have we seen their action before? So epinephrine and norepinephrine, we've seen their activity before when we talked about the sympathetic nervous system increasing heart rate when people are running for their lives or having an unusual stress response. Your blood pressure goes up, your blood glucose levels go up so that we can get energy in those muscle cells that we need to run or fight with. The heart rate obviously increasing to move blood around the body more quickly. Dilating the small passageways of the lungs. We haven't really talked about that much, but I hope you can see the logic in that. If we're widening those small passageways, those bronchial passageways of the lungs, then we're able to get more oxygen in, increasing that respiratory rate as well. So those are the actions of epinephrine and norepinephrine. Okay, so hope that helps.